Hello Mzansi, Idols SA Season 13 runner-up Mthokosisi Ndaba has fallen on hard times and is struggling to make end meet. I'm reading an article from Maphephandaba and this is what they caption. Broke Idols, a first runner-up, struggled to pay 500 rand bail. What looked like a dream come true from Mthokosisi turned into a nightmare, while almost all winners and those who came second are now beyond broke, struggling to make ends meet. This includes Idols SA Season 13 runner-up Mthokosisi Ndaba, who has allegedly fallen on hard times. Mthokosisi on Monday was released on 500 rand bail from Ntuzuma Magistrate Court after spending a night behind bars following a physical altercation with his cousin Vukile Jaka, who opened a case against him. It is allegedly that he was struggling to settle the bail as he blew up all the money after Idols, where the others saying Idols was like a curse because after winning, all became very hard with no gigs at all. Mzansi, I took a little bit of time just to do some research about Mthokosisi. Yes, I used to watch Idols. I do remember him. So something is not made sure about Mthokosisi. This is the baby mama. They were together for 8 years, got married for 5 months. After that, they got divorced. And then when I look at his social media accounts, it is very disturbing, the manner in which he conducts himself. It's like he's heavy on substances. I don't know, man. He's just in a dark space. The black nail polish, the earrings. And then just 2 weeks ago, he was also going back and forth with this other guy, Wako TNS, about kasi issues and in Dontoni. And then you could just hear the guy, well, nope. We're not.
Right. Out is very silungise fast ukuze ngaphindi ijwayelane kabi. Ngizongisa igama okandaba isibongo othi ngibheka le acid. Lord, I hope you're good. Excuse me. Yo. I hope everything is going well. I still don't fasting because if it's necessary ukuthi ke sifike la ekugcineni kumele ilunge, guys. Right. There is nothing wrong with me. I decided to do this video because I feel it's necessary. There's nothing wrong with me. When I'm just there's something wrong with me, then I think there's something wrong with you. Why am I saying that? I'm saying that because I'm a human being, and I happen to be a South African and also a boy from Kwamashu, born and bred Kwamashu. If when you study more to umuntu othanda ukwazi indawo ohlala kuyona, you'd understand ukuthi uma ukhulele kwaMashu ukhulele mhlambe unokuqoba nokuhlukumeza kokuthizeni empilweni ihamba ikushaye bese ke uthola usizo, uthola nabantu abazokulekelela ukuthi into enjengalezi ezinye zazo ukwazi ukuyinqoba, but kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi ezinye zazo awukwazi ukuyinqoba uphila nazo, so ukuthi nje uyayicontrol. Yabona into engikhuluma umunye uzoyi understand, umunye uyazi understand, angina ndaba kodwa yizo moyizo siyaqhubeka. Yes, I'm angry. Yes, I'm hurt. And yes, I'm losing it. That shows what I'm a human being. Just an ordinary person who happens with a tohoze, may tohoze limveze la before in your womb. Got anything special about me. Right. I'm going to see you something. Go TikTok, go Instagram, go Facebook. Whether you like it or not, I don't care. Now you know. It's most of the social media we understand the photo good fiction and non-fiction content. But yeah. So it's fiction and non-fiction content. You learn about that. But again, this way cars okay, man, just say like man, just say actor, man, irreal. It's up to you to understand whether you understand it or not. Right, say but manga bengisuke ngithuka inhlamba noma ngisuke ngilwa nomuntu ngisuke nomuntu ngoba kunesizathu singilwa naye. For example, ijonga lakwangema unkazimo uTNS ngilwa naye ngoba it's necessary ngicontribute kwi-career yakhe. I'm not saying that because mhlawumbe ngifuna ukubonga, cha, ngikwenza ngoba kusuke uthandweni. So ukulwa naye ngilwa naye ngoba ngithi ndoda, kodwa usulapha mfowethu uyabona nokuthi insizwe ezinye lezi besihamba nazo ebesithembisene ukuthi kumele akhanye la ngakithi sizobatakula, usukhohliwe imfowethu. nakwenza amaphutha a1 no2 no3 mawungasezwa wona awuse. So that's why ngithi ukunqoza benzile. And angixolisi angena umuntu mina ungibhekise kahle, angena umuntu mina ojwayele ukuthi mangabe ethuka inhlamba noma enze something abe uyazoxolisa, cha. Ngoba mangisuke ngithuka inhlamba ngoba ngisuke ngifuna ukuthuka inhlamba ihlale ithi uyibone umsulu lo ubhebha angazi uma kunjani lapha eMalokhuzaneni uthenga khona lapha ngo 70 rand 60 rand. Wena umfundisi noma ngabe uyini noma ubikhansela, siyabonga kakhulu sesilungisene manje ukuthi mabe ngilwe impi angilwi nawe mina, ngilwa into ngilwa nabo. So bofu uyifaka ungayifaka uzohlala nenhlamba izobe isusukile ke futhi. So injalo nje guys. Asidluleni lapho ke kulweni bafowethu. Umusic wami ukhona ke nabo enewuthandayo music wami, checkani lapho kuMalokhuzana ningilandela kuma statuses lapho ke. Yeah, sibonga uNkulunkulu kule madluzi ngempilo. Ukhona umuntu owaziyo guys ukuthi uma udla amaphilisi lawa engqondo or depression or whatever the case may be, or severe depression, most unamaphupho amambi, how do you escape those dreams? Because I'm tired of seeing the snakes and frogs. Frustrated alone. Have a lovely weekend. Yaphela inyanga yeFebruary, inyanga yothando. Ushintsho ke lulula uqala wena ube ushintsho ofuna ukuba yilona wena noma ufuna ukulibona. Bese uyasithanda wena, uthanda amakholwane wakho. Ufisela umunye umuntu into enhle, bese ungayenza into ebhedayo ongafisa ukuthi yenze kuwena, ngoba khona abantu abafana nathi abangasana ndaba abazoyenza exactly njengendlela oyenze ngayo. Asinankinga futhi, yebo. Ngisho ngafika phi leyo ndaba asinandaba. Mayifika physical ayifiki, mayifika ekutheni mhlambe kunecebo lethu involve kahle, then it's okay. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sharp.
Ngani yakwethu Mthokozisi Ndaba kwaMashu kwaK, ngiyathemba uyaphila bhuti. Ngibonile ama-allegations akho, ungithuka uthi ngumfowenu, uthi ngi-out yakho, you are talking about kasi issues, and ufake igama lami kule nhlamba leyana okade uyithuka online. Angiphendule into straight ke bhuti, ukuze sikhathe lento le ingaphinde iyenzeke, nawe ungaphinde wenza into eyihlazo kanjalo. Casually mina bengikhokha for ama sessions makufanele ngibe nengoma khona bengikhokha khona. Uma uthi ngibenzele i-private part leyo khuluma ngayo mangabe uthuka lapho online, angikwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Khuluma as if khona abafowethu angazi engibakweleta something noma kwenzakalana, angikwazi khona into engayiqondi kahle about inkulumo yakho, because kule casual lokhuluma ngayo mina wonke ama sessions bekufanele kuba wami bengiwakhokhela. Ngabe neqiniso no producer abakhona bayokutshela kahle. Nawe awuzungifice kwaMondli khona wasikwenye indawo ngiyizamela nakhona, but uzongitshela manje ngecasual and ukhuluma online ufake igama lami, awuzi nakumina eceleni. Angiyi-appreciate ke lento yakho bhuti wami. Mina ngoba abafethu ngabuya ngaba tracker down bonke ababengenzela iqiniso bengiphi indlebe. Ngisho kwi-album yami yokuqala abafethu abangenzela iqiniso mina bangiphi indlebe eCashOnly, baba nengoma nami, hayi ukuthi banginike i-opportunity ukuthi ngirecord. Makufanele ngirecord mina, I had to pay eCashOnly. I was not a member of eCashOnly. I was not. Angikwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Angikwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Bayokutshela onhlekza, bayokutshela Freedom, bayokutshela IRI, bona abantu laba ababengipha indlebe, bengilalela, benginika ithuba. But makufanele ngizenzele ingoma zami, I had to see, ngizikhokhele, ngizibonele ukuthi ngenze njani. Manje mawuthi eCashOnly benzelwa i-private part, ukhuluma ngani? Yini udleni mfethu? Noma ufuna ukuphakama ngami? Swele mhlasimbe into noma umuntu ongakhinyabezana naye online noma ongabhifa naye. Well, mina mfethu angingeni lezo zinto lezo. Ngi-addressa nje njengomfowethu, ngiyathuka ukuthi usuwaba umuntu wamakasi issues wena. Sekuyangithusa ukuthi wena usuwaba umgcotsho wamakasi issues. Ukhuluma ngezinto ongazazi futhi. awubuze konhleki zamfethu, ubuze ko-IRI, ubuze ko-Freedom. Amadoda ayenginika ithuba engilalela, ungakhulumi into ongayazi. I was not a member of iCash Only mina. Musu ukuthinta igama lami ngendlela eyokuxaka ekugcineni ngoba mina ngikaze ngikusukele.